You got Keith White back. Get it on, man. Ooh, 44. Oh, close enough for me. Over here, this side. You want a golf, or you get one of them? Want one? Okay. Are you ready? How you doing there, buddy? You sure? You get the GoPro.